compartment, I'm going to show you how to solve this Rubik's Cube. Solving Rubik Cube is so much easy. We can apply some tricks. I'll show you step by step how to solve this Rubik Cube. This Rubik Cube has 6 colors. Red opposite is orange, green opposite is blue, and white opposite is yellow. First step, I'm going to make a white cross. I made a white cross, and I made red opposite orange, and I made a blue opposite green. I am going to keep all these white corners here. These white corners mixed in blue, 3 colors, white, blue and orange. There's our rusty RD. There's our rusty RD. There's our rusty RD. There's our rusty RD. Now the second one. To bring this corner, I'll apply this formula. Reverse R, reverse D, R, D is finished. Then this one. White, orange, green. Reverse R, reverse D, R, D. Reverse R, reverse D, R, D. Reverse R, reverse D, R, D. Then another one. White, green, red. Reverse R, reverse D, R, D. Reverse R, reverse D, R, D. Reverse R, reverse D, R, D. Then another one. White, red, blue. Reverse R, reverse D, R, D. Reverse R, reverse D, R, D. Reverse D, R, D. R, D. Reverse R, reverse D, R, D. Then finish. I got full white here, and also I got same color T. Then I'm going to do the next formula. The second step, I'm going to keep all these corners. I need to keep here red here and green here. Here I need to keep green here and orange here. Now I need to find red and green. But now first let me find it. Now I find this. Now I'm going to bring this left side. I will do the left formula. Reverse U, reverse L, U, L. U, F, reverse U, reverse F. Now this came here. You can see it. Then I'm going to keep green here, then orange here. You can find green and orange. No. Now you find it. I should bring this left side again. I'm going to do left side. You remember the left one? It's reverse U, reverse L, U, L. Then U, F, reverse U, reverse F. Now you can see it came here. Now I'm going to bring orange here and blue here. Where's orange and blue? You found it. I again left side. Reverse U, reverse L, U, L, U, F, reverse U, reverse F. Now it came here. Now I should find blue, red. It already came here. I should bring it right side. Then I should do the right side formula. It's U, R, reverse U, reverse R, reverse U, reverse F, U, F. Now I made it. Now I got full white and same complete rows. Now I'm going to make a yellow cross. I'm going to use this third formula. The third formula is F R U R U F. Now I got a yellow cross and blue is correct. Then orange is correct. Oh no, green is wrong and red too. To correct this, I need to use the fourth formula. The fourth formula, I should use R U. Where's R U R U U? Where's R U? Green is correct, red is correct, blue and orange are two. They all are correct. Now I'm going to fix these corners. Now this is not correct. This one should be orange. This also should be green and this should be yellow. To make this colors correct, I'm going to use the fifth formula. This is up, right, reverse up, reverse left, up, reverse right, reverse up, left. Is it correct? No, this is not yet. This is also not yet. This one, this one, this one. This is correct. So I should keep it like this. U R reverse U reverse L. U reverse R U reverse U L. Is it this correct? Is already. Then green, orange, yellow. This is already correct. This is also correct. Then this is not there. But the same, just like this formula. It's reverse R, reverse D, R, D. Reverse R, reverse D, R, D. Then turn it slowly like this. Reverse R, reverse D, R, D. Reverse R, reverse D, R, D. Again turn it slowly. Reverse R, reverse D, R, D. Reverse R, reverse D, R, D. Now it's correct. Look, now it's all fixed. Now I solved the puzzle cube. Bye. Bye.